Are you tired of waking up exhausted or wondering what to make for breakfast every single morning? How you start your day shapes your entire day's energy. Today, we're sharing 10 amazing, quick, and highly nutritious breakfast ideas that will boost your metabolism and fuel your body. Ready? Let's jump into the first one. 1. Eggs. First up, eggs. Packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, they keep you full for hours and are fantastic for weight management. 2. Oatmeal. Next is oatmeal. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it contains beta-glucan, which actively helps lower LDL, the bad cholesterol. 3. Flaxseeds. Number 3 is flaxseeds. A true powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, they work wonders in reducing inflammation. 4. Berries. Fourth, we have berries. High in antioxidants and fiber, they support heart health while keeping cravings at bay. 5. Whole wheat bread. Fifth is whole wheat bread. Its complex carbohydrates and high fiber content stabilize blood sugar, giving you steady energy and firing up your metabolism. 6. Nuts and peanut butter. Number 6. Nuts and peanut butter. Combining protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, they serve as the ultimate, long-lasting energy boost. 7. Protein shakes. Seventh are protein shakes. When you're short on time, they are the fastest, lowest-calorie way to hit your daily protein goals. 8. Bananas. Number 8 is bananas. Loaded with potassium and resistant starch, they deliver instant energy and keep your digestion running smoothly. 9. Greek yogurt. Ninth on our list is Greek yogurt. Rich in probiotics, calcium, and protein, it strongly supports your gut health and immune system. 10. Coffee. And finally, coffee. Its high antioxidant levels reduce inflammation, boost your metabolism, and can even lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. As you can see, fueling your morning right is both simple and delicious. But remember, while adding these nutrient-dense foods to your routine is great, pairing them with a 10-minute morning stretch, light exercise, or a quick meditation will truly take your physical and mental well-being to the next level. Which one of these is your morning favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Take care and stay energetic.